focus rear roof spoiler extension is one of the easiest and most satisfying modifications anyone can do for themselves, and will only take approximately 20 minutes. Before starting the installation process, make sure to clean the surface with provided alcohol wipe or with a microfiber towel. Make sure to get familiar with how the part is installed by dry fitting it. While dry fitting this part, use masking tape to outline middle and both ends. This will help indicate where you'll be applying primer sticks. Please note to crack the primer, and then apply primer stick onto spoiler. As applying the primer, tilt the rear spoiler extension upwards. From one side, peel both tape liners approximately 2 inches apart, then crease both liners to the side. Now position back in place and slowly peel liners as you press down on the focused rear roof spoiler extension. Lastly, apply firm pressure to make sure the part is in place. Don't forget to remove the tape markers. Congratulations! Installation is now complete. Now you can post pictures on all your favorite social media platforms. Follow us and tag us at CalPonyCars.